Now I would like to teach you about participles part 2. In this session we are going to learn about participles part 2. Let us discuss about participles part 2. Generally we should not use the preposition about after the verb discuss. Let us discuss now in this session. Let us discuss participles regarding part 2. Participles part 2. Let us discuss participles very clearly. Here if you take all these examples which have been written on the board, we can simply understand regarding participles part 2. My friend came, we went out. These are the two events. These two events are to be combined by using participle. All these two events are in the past form. My friend came, we went out. But here we have different subjects. From the first statement we have the subject my friend, and from the second statement we have the subject we. Here we have two different subjects. When you find two different subjects while combining two statements by using participle, we should use the subject of the first statement as usually. Later the verb which is from the first statement should be changed. Here we can find the change in the verb. And moreover, here we find two different subjects. Then how to combine these two events by using participle? My friend coming, comma, we went out, full stop. My friend coming, comma, we went out, full stop. This is the answer for the given question. My aunt came, we went to temple. My aunt came, we went to temple. Here also we can find two different subjects. From the first statement we can find the subject my aunt, and from the second statement we can find the subject we. Here we can find two different subjects. When you find two different subjects, from the first statement we don't have to change the subject. Subject should be written from the first statement as usually in the answer. My aunt, and later here verb should be changed in the participle part. Here came becomes coming, such as present participle. My aunt coming, comma, we went to temple, full stop. That is the answer for the given question when we have joined these two statements together. She was blind, full stop. Charan helped her to cross the road. She was blind. Charan helped her to cross the road. These are the two events, such as two statements. Now let us join these two statements by using participle. Here we can find was is the past be form, such as non-action verb. Here instead of this verb we should write being. We should write being. She being blind, comma, Charan helped her to cross the road. She being blind, comma, Charan helped her to cross the road. She being blind, comma, Charan helped her to cross the road. This is the answer for the given question regarding participles part 2. It was a hot day. Full stop. We could not go out. It being a hot day, we could not go out. This is the answer. In such a way, we can create number of examples related to part 2 participles. Okay, this is about today's session. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.